Hi, I am so excited to share something with you. It's Judy, and just wanted to say hi, but I'm very excited because hello, it's Judy, and I have something very exciting to share with you. So, about a week ago, I felt like my higher self, my intuitive self, my spirit guides, whatever you want to say, told me that I should offer this class. And so um, I'm teaching real healing method with human design and the gene keys. It's just an introductory to all of it. And I'm doing it all together and it should be very exciting. So it'll be the first time that I've taught real healing method. I know you've heard about it before if you've watched any of my videos or you've read anything about me or you've had sessions with me. I use a technique, a healing modality that I channeled 11 years ago, and it is to give you a way to quickly in the now to shift if you're feeling stress, if you're feeling anxiety, if you're worrying, if you're frustrated, if you're overwhelmed, if you have guilt, if you have shame, if you have grief. I mean, all the different emotions. And it may be something you don't even identify, like, well, I'm not really aware of my emotions, but pay attention to your body because your body isn't going to lie. When I get anxious, my stomach starts being like butterflies or tense. If I'm worried that my energy feels heavy in my shoulders and my chest may feel heavy. So there's are some symptoms for me. So ask yourself what wakes you up at 3 o'clock in the morning? What is on your mind? Are you worried about money? What are you remembering about relationships? What are you remembering or thinking about that maybe you have so much to do you can't get anything done? Maybe you're tired of being alone. Maybe you're just not happy or whatever it is. So that's one time that never lies to us in the middle of the night. And then another thing would be maybe you're driving to work, or maybe you're doing housework or working, and you're doing a job that doesn't require you to concentrate. And then all of a sudden your mind will go to something. Um, and that will be of a concern. Pay attention since COVID. I know that a lot of people are tired about it, but I'm telling you, there's still trauma around COVID. Um, you'll know because you have a fear of not wanting to do things that you used to be willing to do. And so the point is we're going to bring human design together. You may not know anything about human design. You may be an expert in it. It doesn't matter. We're going to go over what your energy authority is. And then we're going to dive into a little bit with gene keys because we're going to bring the relationship together, and then we're going to use real healing method. I'm going to show you how to use my cutting edge, easy 4-step powerful process that even children use, but you have as results that can change your life. So keep that in mind. So like I said, I'm very excited about it. It's going to be for 2 nights, an hour and a half each night. So it won't take a lot of your time. And also you're going to get to heal something. So you're going to feel some relief. You're going to feel lighter. You're going to feel happier, less stress, less anxiety. And we'll customize it for you too. So with that, it's a very low introductory price. So I hope you jump on it right now. I'm going to be having it the last 2 weeks of May. So that's coming up, right? And I don't want you to forget and miss this opportunity. So jump on it now. If you want to have a call with me, do it. Like I said, it's a really low price to be able to learn this. And then it's going to be wonderful. So that's it. Looking forward to seeing you very soon. I'm limiting it to a handful of people because I'm going to be working with all of you. We're going to meet on Zoom. Right now, I'm offering a daytime and an after work time, because some of you that are watching this work a day job, and some of you already have other commitments during the day, and some of you may have the opposite in the evening. So we'll offer one or the other. I must have a minimum of 10 people at either the day or the night to have the workshop. And you'll understand when you get more of the information. So invite a friend, have a family member. If you have a child and you want to do this with a child, this would be a great time. And I have children that are in their 30s and 40s. So I would invite my children. It doesn't matter how old they are. I do this technique. I've taught this technique as young as 5. And that's it. And that's it. All right. So hopefully I'll see you soon.